Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim. My sister is not here. She wanted me to tell you guys of her weird work schedule. She's working like 5 in the morning, and then some nights she's working the night shift, so she's not here to film, but she said I could go ahead and film without her because I did get Allure today, and I also got Pro Wrestling Create today, so I'm going to try to upload these and get them both posted today, and today is the 20th, Wednesday, January 20th. Okay, so this is Allure, of course, and I got my little booklet here that shows you, some of the things inside. Hopefully the lights aren't too bright or making anything cast too much of a shadow or anything. I'm filming in my living room instead of the other area, so. Okay, and then I guess first thing I'm pulling out, let's see. I don't know if this is just a card. Is this just a card? Okay, because it says Mani-Me, like Allure, handpicked by Allure, made for you. And it says, Mani-Me, welcome to the future, manicures. So I think this is just like a coupon for $30 off or something. I don't really know. Doesn't look like it's one of the items they're giving us. So, okay, past that. First thing I'm pulling out, which is the biggest, is Saturday Skin's Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. So that's a nice big size. I have hair on me. Big size. And the second thing I'm pulling out is True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin E in Vintage Rose. So there's that. And then I have L'Occitane, I think is how you say it, in Provence Immortelle Divine Cream. I actually like this brand a lot, so that's good. My hands are like super dry. So, but my youngest son's girlfriend has been giving me some homemade like shea butter she's created, so I've been using that. I have next the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. Does it say any colors or anything? I suppose if this is like a dark blush, then I'll probably put it in a giveaway, or like too orangey for me or something, then I'll probably do that. And then I think it's the last thing. They did put this, they did a little card for the L'Occitane. I don't know if I'm saying that right, for a discount on the, the cream. But the last thing I'm pulling out is Base Blue. Is it just, mini air sponge full coverage. I'll probably put that in a giveaway because I use a full size like beauty blender, but I don't use like any of the smaller versions of it. So that was it. We are going to be having a giveaway really soon coming up, so make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe. Otherwise, take care. Thanks. Bye.